Don't get pregnant, but unfortunately, she professionally gave birth to a child who started on 40 days. Meanwhile, down in the slicer and solution in which suffering for medical advice.
Dali ko ba resolution?
Yes, I'm going to be talking to you for the Lord.
I don't think that is a very good idea. Sinabi ko na natin hindi ko na resolution. And furthermore, arms and thumbs must be persuaded.
But our only answer was to try to find some of the and fair of this nation. It's been a sensitive. It's time for Filipino people to be awakened. And we have also come to rescue you.
Rescue me? I'm not right.
Well, Dr. Peter has to respect. As we think of that day, we embark on board the neighbor's factor. Facing a corporate mistakes about the day, Don Pedro, Don Lee, and Don Manuela details.
You know how much fire on the execution must take the left side. Can't be done. I promise to make it. Rather than break it.
Jose, you don't even know what will happen next. What is they give you? What will happen to me? What will happen to your family?
You know me very well. I can keep my mind up.
But unexpectedly, got arrested before reaching Barcelona. Without clearance from the Sultan of Jordan, without the arresting by order of Governor General Staffo, it was the 10th of April. They arrived in Manila, putting the right to battle against the nation. On November 26, after the preliminary investigation, Dawkins was brought to trial. He was defender, Luis Javier de Andrade, the brother of Lieutenant Jose Javier de Andrade, the the bodyguard in the back. The judge cannot be vindictive. They cannot be done.
I cannot be guilty of this. Well, my feelings or do not try to continue to do. The fourth version has been approved. It is ordered itself to be executed at 7 p.m. at Saturday.
Not judge. Just because it's like that.
No.